Going to be showing you how to install screen using a flat spline. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is because the tutorials that I looked at on YouTube really didn't show me anything, okay, and didn't make it any easier for me. So now that I've got it figured out, I'm going to help everybody else out there. I want you to get a close-up of this channel. This is a standard screen channel. If you look, you'll see that it indents towards the screen, so when you put the spline in, it actually pushes it into the channel. Very hard to get out. If anybody's tried to remove the spline, you know it's difficult to get out as it is to get in. Okay? But this is the reason why this channel is made for the flat spline. If you use round spline and you get a heavy wind-driven day, it could blow the screen out. But no way with this flat spline. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to screen this section, and I'm going to show you how this is done very easily. Now, the key to this whole system are these clips. Okay? These clips are going to hold the screen in place while I'm putting the bead in. Okay? This is what these are called. I bought these on Amazon. They were like a package of 20 for $18 or $19. This is what you got to type in, okay, on Amazon. But this is going to make all the difference, okay? I'm going to show you right now. What we're going to do is we're going to hang the screen. And I'm going to hang it a little bit long because you're supposed to cut it long. And these things will snap right in and hold the screen, okay? They're kind of the same shape as the bead, so they wrap in and they hold the screen. So what you want to do is you want to do the top first. And because this is a 5-foot piece, I'm going to put 4 across the top. We're going to come down to the corner here, make sure we're covering everywhere. Come down here, in the corner. You want to pull it a little bit taut. Here. And now we'll do the bottom. Now, anybody that's tried this flat spline before knows what a bitch it is to work with. Alright, I've got my spline already cut. Got the screen in place. Now, just so you know, the spline has got a flat side and a rounded side. The flat side goes in towards the frame. Okay, and now, remember how I said there's a little notch in the screen? You're going to roll your screen. You're going to remove the clip, roll your screen, and you're just going to angle it. You're going to angle it down to where that notch is. And then use your roller and just push it in. And it'll go nice and easy. Like that. I know. I couldn't believe it myself. And push it right in. folds right in nice and easy. I honestly couldn't believe it myself. For those of you who have tried to do this another way, like a circus performer trying to hold the screen and push the spline, you'll never do it. Alright, so I do the top first. I'm going to come down the sides. And again, I'm putting the spline and angling it towards where it wants to fold in, and then when you go over with the roll up, it just pushes in. Alright, do the other side. And just so you know, I got a price of close to $3 grand to rescreen this whole room. And I've got about $300 in material total. And it's going to take me 2 days total. I have 100 lineal feet of screened in wall here. Through the bottom. I'm just angling it towards the inside. And when I roll my roller over, it folds it right in. I mean, it's crazy how easy it actually is. That's it. That took me less than 5 minutes. And all you have to do now is trim the screen, which I recommend taking your time and doing a neat job, because that's the difference between a job that looks neat and one that looks sloppy. And you're going to hold your razor right up against the rubber edge, make a cut. Dog has decided he wanted to go swimming while I'm making this. Thinks I'm going to stop and play with him, which I'm not. And that's it, we're done. Alright, that's how you do it. I hope this helps people out there, because I wasn't getting any help from the videos I saw. This is my dog that decided he wants to swim.